kia ora, taku ingoa ko Nat Camera. Taku kāinga tūturu no Matawaia, ko Matawaia. Taku iwi, hapu, Ngāti Ine, te kauimua, te taha o taku māma, ko te Raroa, California. Now, my pictures, TQ. My grandmother's name is TQ. My business name is TQ. There's a twist to my name on my business, and it spells T-E letter Q, big capital letter. I am wanting $1,000 today because I need to build a website. And on top of that, I would also like, there's a lot of things I want to do with my rongoa. There's not just one, but the website is one of the very first ones I want to at this very stage, this time, is to open up a pharmacy only for rongoa Māori. And so that our tamariki can learn to be Māori pharmacists within our rongoa, te ao rongoa Māori. And I would also like our doctors, our upcoming doctors, to have a compulsory part of their learning to
30 seconds.
New Zealand doctors to come and learn te rongoa Māori. So that is my vision, that is my dream. I learnt te rongoa from my grandmother from a very young age. I got my packaging together knowing that my grandmother was very being environmentally friendly.
And time.
Homa te paki paki.
So kia ora everybody, my name's Jamie Lee and I want to present to you lived memories. In the lockdown of COVID-19, my mum lost her battle to breast cancer. The last conversation I had with my mama, while she was told that there was nothing more that they could do with her, we were driving back from Rotorua to Taupo. She says, "Bub, pull over." And I said, "Oh, Mum," she goes. The last conversation I had with my mum, she said to me, "I'm sorry, Bub." And I said, "Why? Don't be sorry, Mum." She goes, "Can you do one favour for me?" I said, "What do you want?" She goes, "Never let my mokopuna ever forget who I am." So I'm presenting to you lived memories. What is the problem? The problem is that our whānau are faced with terminal illness. They don't have much time. So right now I've created a digital software app that allows whānau who are sick to upload their memories, their experiences, their messages that they want to send to their mokopuna, to their tamariki, to their children. That app can be condensed, put into a link, and then it can be inserted into your e-will. Right now we are
30
talking
seconds.
with Public Trust who are coming on board to help us put all that together. Kia ora, lived memories.
Kia ora.
Nice.
Tēnā koe whānau, ko he miroka tuku ingoa. Hard act to follow that one. A few of you might have seen the virtual reality headsets in the back room during Kai today. Anybody try it out? Ngā mihi. It's pretty immersive, pretty groundbreaking. Most people that haven't tried it have no idea what I'm talking about. It's so immersive that some people won't stay in there because it's too scary. What we're looking at is, we think virtual reality has the potential to capture our stories, our mātauranga and our pūrākau. It's almost unlimited potential at the moment. We are currently upskilling our Māori rangatahi tauira to learn how to build the technology inside the VR, utilising a tōkana teina model. We currently have the tech, the capability and the relationships. We need further funding to intern our ākonga after our 6-month program. We can tell the stories from our rohe. We have marae trustee support here in Whangarei, Te Ringaprawa, and the expertise and development to create these pūrākau. So what we're talking about is going into a marae, hearing a tuakana teina kaumātua tell the stories of the marae, of the pou in the marae, but you are somewhere else in a virtual world, and it's as real as you might. I wouldn't say you couldn't tell the difference, but you will enjoy it just as much. So we can take our storytellers into that virtual world, we can retain our whakapapa, we can engage our whānau in new and exciting ways with our ancient knowledge. The tech is immersive and it can be used for our ageing and immobilised whānau, so we can go out, we can capture those stories, we can partner with other ways of keeping our mātauranga and our whānau's dreams and hopes for the next generation. The success of this waka will allow our rangatahi also to stay here in meaningful employment in Taitokerau, in the highest paying industry with the most jobs. I don't have a specific ask, but ngā mihi for listening. Kia ora tātou.
Kia ora.
All right, so e tū koutou. We'll do the short list. We've got 3 to pick.
Pai te tū mai. Koutou kei roto tonu I te puna. Ai tahi rua
We've
toru.
got 3 whānau left. We're up for $1,000 for the prize. If anybody wants to give some more money, that'd be awesome. But however, that's what we have at the moment. So do we want to just say, look, let's make a decision. We've got the last 3 to go. Yep. All right. E tū koutou. All right. Final run, whānau. Make a decision.
It's like single transferable voting.
Oh, it is. This is exciting. Jeez. All right. Okay, so we're going to start at the other side now. Hemi. Who votes for Hemi's whakaaro about digital VR? All right.
Fitu.
Excellent. All right. We also have our kairongoa chemist kaupapa.
Rima.
And we have Lizzie and her idea around her
we only have
uniforms.
6 people still standing, so that means that with 7, our toa is Hemi.
Oh, homai te paki.
It's the. I think I got that for you, mate. The tai tamariki, but there for our interns, the future, eh? Ka pai.
Well
Homai anō
done.
te paki.
Congratulations. Thank you.